So now we're gonna continue with declaring a class with a method and instantiating an object of a class. So for this example, what we are gonna do is we're gonna open a new folder. So I'm gonna go to new, I'm gonna go to folder, and right now we are gonna create this new folder and we are gonna name it, let me see, we're gonna name it, we can name it test. So we can just name it test for now, or whatever name you wanna name it. So right click, open in terminal, and then we're gonna type in code space that. And okay, so we are in Visual Studio Code. So now we're gonna go into the file. So we're gonna pick this file and we are gonna name it, grade, we're gonna name it gradebook.java, like that. Okay, and pretty much what we are gonna have here is gonna be a class declaration but with one method. So here we can do the basic, the public class, and then the name that is gonna be, it doesn't do it automatically, so let me see, public class, and then we can just put grade, okay, like a gradebook, like this. Okay, and then we're gonna open curly braces and we're gonna display a welcome message to the Gradebook user. So we're gonna have the public, so we're gonna, okay, this one, we're gonna have the public, no, not this one, so we can delete this one and just, let me see, we're gonna have just public and it's gonna be void. So public void, and we're gonna have display, let me see, display message, like that, with camel case notation. So here the first letter after the second word has to be with capital letter, so capital M. And now we're gonna open curly braces and we are gonna pretty much use the system. So it's gonna be system, here this one, System.out.println, and we are gonna have welcome to the grade, welcome to the Gradebook, like that, so like this. Okay, so welcome to the Gradebook, okay, just like that, and we can save it for now. So this one is the end class Gradebook, this one is the end method display message. Okay, and if we try to click here, we are gonna get an error. So again, let's do it again. And now, main method not found in the file, please define it. So we don't have a main method here. Okay, so we only have the public void message. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna have to create a second file. So we're gonna go here, and this time we are gonna name it, let me see, we are gonna name it again, it has to be camel case notation. So we're gonna name it gradebook, like that, gradebook test, like this, that Java. Okay, and it already give us the public class gradebook test. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so inside of this public class gradebook test, we're gonna go here and we can put it like that, and here we're gonna create, so we're gonna create a gradebook object and assign it to the whatever we're gonna call it, in this case my gradebook. So we're gonna have like that, gradebook. Okay, so gradebook, because this is the one that we are using here, the name of this public class is gradebook, so we're gonna use gradebook, and then we're gonna pretty much create a gradebook object. So in this case it's gonna be my gradebook, so I already have it here, and we are gonna assign it to new, we're gonna assign it to new gradebook. Okay, and we put parentheses, so later on we're gonna see this is the basis for the constructor. Okay, let me see, public class, this is the gradebook. Okay, let me see, but oh, I didn't do it automatically, so let me delete this one. And I didn't do it automatically, but inside of this public class we need to have the we need to have the public static void. So I just have to type public, and pretty much I thought I already have it. So we need the public static void main. So here we have main, as you can see. So save it for now. We already have main. So let me see. Cancel. Okay, so it's working right now because we have the main method. So it's working, but it's not pretty much outputting anything. So let's continue. Okay, so what we are gonna do right now is, again, we're gonna create a Gradebook object. So it's gonna be, let me see, a Gradebook is gonna be my Gradebook, and we're gonna set it to new, keyword new, and then Gradebook with parentheses like that, semicolon at the end. Save it. Okay, my Gradebook. Yeah, that's fine so far. We can maybe put it like this. And now we're gonna call my Gradebook's display message method. So we're gonna pretty much call this, the line 3, the display message method. Okay, so to do that, we're gonna call this my Gradebook. So it's gonna be my Gradebook that, and then, as you already have it here, display method. Save it. Okay, and pretty much here we have the end of main. So line 9 is the end of main, line 15 is the end class Gradebook test. Okay, and let's play it. So welcome to the Gradebook. So whatever you put here, let me see, welcome to YouTube, I don't know, welcome to YouTube, like that. Save it, and let's play it. Okay, welcome to YouTube. So, and again, it's working because right now we are using the main. So we have the main method here. Okay, so pretty much each class declaration that begins with keyword public must be stored in a file having the same name as the class and ending with that Java file. So as we did with the Gradebook.java and the Gradebook test.java. Okay, this is the .java file name extension. Okay, so for this reason, the classes Gradebook and Gradebook test must be declared in separate files because each has a declare public. As you can see here, we have here public Gradebook, and then we also have public class Gradebook test. Okay, let me see again. So the keyword public is an access modifier. So the keyword public is an access modifier. Okay, what else do we have here for this? Let me see. Another thing that you can do also is, I'm using here this button and the Visual Studio Code, but if we clean it up and we type in Java, okay, Java, and then we put the names, so pretty much would be Gradebook.java space, and then we can put in, let me see, Gradebook test.java. Okay, so let me see, and now we can just put in Java, and then let me see, Gradebook, it has to be test, like that. Let me see, this one, Gradebook test, let me delete this one. Okay, welcome to YouTube. So pretty much, and you can omit the point and the slash. I did it because pretty much if I take, for example, grade, and then I press tab, it automatically puts the point and the backslash, but you can omit it. For example, you can do Java, let me see if I can do it like Java, and then Gradebook, okay, camel notation, Gradebook .java, so, and then space, and then grade, let me see, Gradebook, okay, .java, like that. And we can omit the dot and the backslash. So then we can just type in, let me see if I can do this Gradebook test. Let me see if I can do, no, it has to be Java, so we have to type in Java first, and then the name of the file, or the name of the file that has the main method. So Gradebook test has the main method, so we can do that. And welcome to YouTube, we can put whatever name, I know, welcome to welcome to Java, like that. Save it, and let me see if I type in Java Gradebook test. Welcome to YouTube, so we have to do it again. So I'm gonna use the page up, and again just Java gradebook.java space gradebook test.java. Okay, it's doing their thing, and now Java Gradebook test, and welcome to Java. Okay, so this is how to compile an application with multiple classes. So pretty much before you can execute the application, first we need to check it out in the directory that contains the application source code files. Okay,